So we got the roll in, we got the long and low, then we got it with the airbag. Was sitting, you can see the lip still down there. I'm actually gonna change all this. A longer deck with a small kicker to a step down. So I'm actually gonna build another deck on top of this little storage building. And then you'll start at the top, roll down the roof, have another 8 feet out, and then a little kicker there. And then first landing will be right there, and a whole new line will start. Long deck with a step down, one straight hit, left hip, right hip. That way I can work on hips going the both ways. This is where we're at now. So they got the 16-foot beam in off the roof, squared off, going 4 feet wide. We moved the other roll in next to it. So we're gonna have the step down, then we're gonna have a normal one here. So we'll have a lip there to the big line that you can roll in. And what I'm gonna do is here, at first I didn't think about it, but this roof's actually pretty strong. So I'm gonna build a deck on this side, up there on top of the roof. So you'll walk up, then push up here. You'll start here, drop in, take a little push pedal or whatever, I don't know how the speed's gonna be, and then have a little kicker, step down. It's gonna be fun. All right, another day at it. And what do you know? Another van full of wood. This thing's getting way more expensive than planned, but look what we got. Ooh, we got the deck, we got the lip. All right, I'll give you a little tour from the top so you're following what's going on. So that's now, that roll-in was here. Now the roll-in is over here, obviously. And that's gonna do trails that way. And the big contest line is gonna be that way, but eventually all this will be filled up with trails. So this is here, coming off the roof. Got the diving board, 16 foot long. I borrowed this little kicker from a buddy, and it was kind of flat, so I just cut a transition in it. No idea what it's meant to be or what will work. So we're gonna test that. I'm gonna build it, keep this at 2 foot. I'm gonna sheet it, and if it works, we're actually gonna use the airbag. I'm gonna put the airbag down there, and that's what we'll test it out, and I'll make sure the links are all right. And then if this works, then I'll take it apart, make a 4 foot version of it, and sheet it. All right, so my battery's dying, so I couldn't really give you updates. This is where we're at. Look what we got. The best part about owning an airbag, I don't have to worry about stacking the dirt to test the new step down. I almost forgot one of like the biggest parts. So I went to film the other day when I had the Bobcat, but my battery was dead, so I didn't get to film it. But so you know where the roll-in was, we had that long and low right here, and then that's where the airbag was. Obviously that's gone. We have a whole nother line over here. This is gonna be my small, medium, whatever you wanna call it, line. I made another little long and low. It's a slight right hip around the tree, and the second one will stack up as a proper dirt jump, scrub roller, and then a last hit. Since I got a lip, I'll stack that lip. I can move the airbag right over there, and we got a whole nother jump. So I'm gonna session this for a minute, then I'm gonna dig on this and fill out this lip and make sure it's all good. Second level, top of the shed. Your first time jumping the step down. It's a massive 4 foot gap with about 2 foot down. Oh, I got scared. Just kidding, I wanted to see what that kind of felt like. Okay, it obviously needs to be longer. This is the easiest part to make a jump longer. We're gonna do it one-handed holding the camera. Ready? Okay, that is kind of hard one-handed, but we're longer. Let's do it again.
Rampage number 2.
I really plan to like get a flip shot off of it, but it's not as, you're not going near as fast as I expected. So that lip actually doesn't feel too bad. Feels a little quick, but if you try to pop it, it feels like you go with it. I told myself I was gonna flip it today, and now I'm scared. I think I gotta go faster and go deep. All right, here we go.
Ready? No, you're right.
Oh, why does it scare me?
Cause you're getting old.
Limbs, I feel like I'm gonna hit the limbs. It's fucking scared me.
Do it again.
Ah. It's just so quick. I'm like, there's limbs. I was just making excuses for myself. It was easy, but. All right, now we gotta get a photo for the gram. Sneak peek. We got the boys over today. Got a skid steer. Dug out this. Completely changed everything I really planned to do for it. But yeah, everything's coming together. Oh yeah.
You getting it?
Ready to ride. We're a long way away. We're doing it. It's happening. 95 acres is officially looking official. We got the step down built. Still got to stack a lot of things. I ended up getting a lot further than expected and get it packed in. We can always like square it off and make it pretty later.